Hey guys, Justin here with J Hart Model Works, coming to you with another shop card shout out. This is the last one on my stack, so I'm all caught up as of right now. This card comes to us from Monty over at the County Model Shop. Fantastic card, great looking Dodge on there. Monty, I don't know if I sent you my card or not. I'm having one of those ADD moments where I can't remember if I mailed one out to you or not, but I definitely got yours. Let me know. If I didn't, let me know so I can get one mailed out to you. Monty's got a fantastic channel, guys. He's got a lot of really great builds and some fantastic paint work. Now, Monty uses craft acrylics, which I don't do because anytime I spray acrylics, I always get kind of a texture. It's like I never get them thin enough. He's got some fantastic work on there, so you guys who are into the craft acrylics, he's got some fantastic, absolutely gorgeous paint jobs, some awesome hot rods and rat rods, and just wonderful builds. So go ahead and give him a check out. Link's going to be up there, or it'll always be down in the description. If you have a shop card you want to send me, or you want one of my shop cards, also down in the description down there is going to be an email address you can email me at. And that's about all I've got on this one, guys. So I'll go ahead and catch you on the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye.